So everybody has talked about digital transformation, so I'll be talking from end user perspective, what are the issues as an end user we are facing. So we are aware that business have pressure to increase the profitability by decreasing operational cost and increasing the competitiveness. So the issues to increase the profitability, what we are doing is putting up the digital transformation. Now to put up the digital transformation or to implement the digital transformation, we need to have a OT-IT integration. So integrating IT and OT systems as a seamless and holistic system of IT and OT to encompass both production as well as business functions to get the real-time actionable data on the platform to achieve the what we can say is real-time actionable data on the platform, and then by the enabling companies to take a faster decision in a better way and to get the analytics that is organization-wide and to have the approach to put the decisions in a real-time manner to achieve the profitability, increase in the profitability. So the problem is when we are talking about the legacy systems that are implemented across our sites. So there is no upward connectivity available. In some of the cases, like some of the legacy systems do not have any north-side connectivity, or they are so closely coupled that integrating new capabilities in the legacy system is quite difficult, or we can say that it is impossible to integrate those systems. So once the legacy systems are there and you don't have the capability to integrate data to at the enterprise level, you will not be able to use the digital transformation. You will not be able to view the OT data on the enterprise level. So once you don't have the data available from OT system at the enterprise level, the integration is not happening, and then you will not be able to see virtual. You will not be able to get the maximum benefit out of your digital transformation. So what what we can do is, if we have to do the digital transformation, maybe we have to upgrade the systems. But then this upgradation will also ask for a cost, and that is going to decrease your profitability. And once you upgrade the system, you have a problem with issues with the application changeover from older system to newer system, and that then there will be a problem of IP protection. So IP protection can be an issue, and then you have to build up the competency to support the new system. So that is also going to be increase in your cost. As when we talk about cybersecurity for the systems, so we have multi-vendor systems available in our environment where the cybersecurity is not built in. It's a bolt-on kind of thing where we implement the solutions on the systems available. So these are the presently we are facing these challenges on our legacy systems available across the sites, and I think these all problems will be available. These all problem will be existing across the system in worldwide industries. So I'll now invite Mr. Dinesh to